white color, blue color, and red color. I learn lowercase letter A. A for apple. B for bicycle. C for cherry. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for king. L for lollipop. And M for monkey. Let's paint blue color. A for alligator. B for banana. C for cow. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flower. Brown color. G for grapes. H for hat. I for eagle. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lamb. M for moon. Let's repeat learn step by step. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe for next part. I meet you next video. See you. Bye.